This is Marcel Brown with your technology history for July 12th. July 12th, 1949. At the IBM 100% Club sales convention held in Endicott, New York, Thomas J. Watson Jr. predicts that all moving parts in machines would be replaced by electronics within 10 years. While maybe not 100% technically correct, Watson's visionary ideals of where the computer industry might go helped lead IBM to dominance in production of all varieties of computers, from workstations to eventually personal computers. July 12, 1990. Nintendo releases the original Final Fantasy video game for its Nintendo Entertainment System in North America. One of the most successful role-playing games for the NES, Final Fantasy helped to popularize the genre and has gone on to spawn one of the most well-known RPG franchises in history. Ironically, the game's creator, Hironobu Sakaguchi, thought the game would be his last one, hence the final in Final Fantasy. Had the game not sold well, he would have quit making games and gone back to college. So much for that. That's your tech history for today. For more, tune in tomorrow and visit my website, thisdayintechhistory.com.